friends here are going to draw a snowman.
Yeah, or a snow woman, but we're going to draw it special. We're going to draw it melted, a funny melted snowman or a snow woman. We hope you can follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
paper.
Yeah, and what else?
Something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Because we're using markers, we're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps keep our markers lasting longer and also protects our table because the marker doesn't soak through the marker paper. Yeah. Well, especially this kind. Okay, let's start by drawing a weird shape. We're gonna draw the melted snowman, and you can draw any shape. You don't have to draw it exactly like me, but we're gonna try to use up a lot of our paper space. So I'm gonna start here, but we wanna leave some space up here for the hat. So I'm gonna draw a funny melted puddle shape like this. Let me see yours. Oh, really wiggly. I like it. And I especially like that yours is different than mine. They both turn out awesome. Yeah. And it's okay if your drawings look different too. I hope you changed your shape. The most important thing is?
To have fun and practice.
Yes, have fun and practice. Okay, should we keep going?
Yes.
Next, let's add the top hat. And we're gonna draw a straight line that goes through our shape like that. Yes, and then we can draw another line right above it that matches. Good job. And then we're gonna draw a line to connect on both sides. Then we're gonna draw the top part of the top hat. We're gonna draw a line that comes up, over, and back down. Yes, we're gonna color that in black at the very end. What should we draw next?
The eyes.
The eyes, okay. I'm gonna draw a funny coal-shaped eye over here and a funny coal-shaped eye over here. Way over here.
Draw?
Oh yeah, way over there.
Draw?
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay,
Thank you.
Then we're gonna draw the carrot nose, and I'm gonna draw it right here. It's kind of still in the nose area because when it melted, it kind of just melts straight down and then stays. Then we're gonna draw the other side of the carrot. I like how big your carrot is. And then let's draw buttons next. I'm gonna draw one button here. And then we could draw a button outside of the shape. I'm gonna try to draw the circle the same size. You could draw it right here, or yeah, you could draw it up there. And I'm gonna draw maybe one, yeah, up here where you drew it. Oh, I like that you added even another one. What should we draw next?
The arms.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's draw one stick. I'm gonna draw it coming down this way. So I'm gonna draw two lines, two diagonal lines. Oh yes, coming out of the head. And then we're gonna draw, it kind of looks like a Y, letter Y. And then one side is gonna be a little bit longer so that it looks like a natural branch off of a tree. And then we're gonna, this is gonna be a little tricky. I'm gonna come in and look at that. We drew the end of the stick. Yes, you did it. That was tricky and you still did it. Then we're gonna connect over here. Let's draw another one. I'm gonna draw it going this way. And I'm gonna draw another line right next to it. You could draw it right here. That would be cool. That's really long. Ah, yes. You're doing it all by yourself. And you can make those thicker too. You did it. You remembered the same steps. Well, I'm gonna repeat those same steps too. And you could even change the little stick so that it looks a little different if you want. Now we could add even more things to our melted snowman, like a scarf, but I'm kind of running out of room. So let's leave it just like this. What should we do next though?
Color it.
Yeah, let's do it. This part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video, take extra time to add more details to your snowman, and even take time to color it. All right, are you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our melted snowman, and this is officially my new favorite lesson. I love how yours turned out so much.
Me too.
Don't you think it's pretty funny?
Yeah.
I mean, It's kind of sad, but it's also funny.
Yeah.
Mine's smiling because it's still happy when it melted. And I love that you added that extra coal for the mouth, but yours is sad.
Yeah, because he melted.
But he's still really cute, melted. So that's kind of funny. We also added 2 little holes in each of the buttons. Then we also added holly to the hat.
And you added the scarf.
Yeah, I actually got it in there because I used overlapping, but you could leave the scarf off, or you could add completely different things. Maybe more carrots. Oh, maybe there's another snowman melted right next to it. And we used our markers to color with, but remember,
You can use whatever you want.
yeah, you don't have to use markers. You could use crayons or colored pencils or even
Paint. We hope you have fun drawing a melted snowman.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to add more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.